Okay, try this one more time. For anybody just joining the video, I didn't upload any other parts because now I'm just kind of irritated because my phone, apparently, all my videos
in 800 feet, turn right onto Homer Street.
Didn't save to my iCloud. So I just got done recording a video for about, I don't know, 25 minutes or so. Not anything super important necessarily, but still, it was like almost a 30-minute video.
Take the next right onto Homer Street, then turn left onto Keller Springs Road.
Anyways, today is Saturday, and it is 8:30 in the morning.
Turn left onto Keller Springs Road.
We had a thunderstorm come through about an hour. I guess it originally started coming through about an hour and a half ago or so, and it really poured down. And I had a delivery at an Indian cuisine restaurant.
In a quarter mile, continue straight onto West Whitlock Lane.
They ordered a whole lot of milk, and I mean, that's not the problem. I mean, shoot, they're a restaurant, they need their stuff, whatever. You know, I don't care about any of that. What I'm kind of sad about is it was a torrential downpour while I had to get the milk. And
continue straight onto West Whitlock Lane.
Luckily, the rain has calmed down for right now.
Mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Old Denton Road.
So right now it's just kind of a sprinkle is all it is at the moment. But anyways, like I was saying in my other video, I just went ahead and deleted that video.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left
I'm in
onto
the
Old
middle of
Denton
working.
Road.
I don't have time to deal with any of that nonsense. But anyways, a few days ago, I got a few messages. I looked today and I just saw that like 3 days ago I got a few messages. Somehow I missed it. I guess I've just been real busy. But one of the questions was, do they give you here at Kroger, do they give you a gas card or are the vehicles already filled up? Normally at my station the vehicles are already filled up because the previous driver is supposed to fill them up, but whenever you have somebody new, they may not necessarily think about it, and when they get back to the station, they may just be going, I don't know what they're doing, they may just be going to park or whatever.
Continue for 1.5 miles.
So I mean, a part of the orientation, you know, they tell you that when you come back, you go to the gas pumps because there's gas pumps at the facility. So yeah, I mean, if it's not, you know, usually it'd be filled up. If it's not filled up, then you just go get gas, and whenever you get back, when you're done with your route, you go to the gas pumps and fill up. And what most people do is while they're filling up, they go ahead and do their post trip inspection. So you can do that. If it's, I don't know, for me personally, I do that. But if it's super busy, like a whole bunch of us are getting back at the same time, and if there's somebody behind me waiting on me to move, then whenever my gas is done filling, then I just go ahead and be done at the gas pump and go park. And then after I park, then I'll finish up whatever I need to finish up for the post-trip inspection. And for the post-trip inspection, it's an actual piece of paper. It's not on a device. Most places, the pre-trip and post-trip inspections are on the devices. For Kroger, they call their device a Danny. But it's not on the Danny, it's on a physical piece of paper that you write on, which is fine. I mean,
in a quarter mile, turn right onto West Beltline Road.
I wouldn't necessarily say it's any better or worse that way, to be honest, but that's just how it is. And as far as the gas card goes, no, they don't give you a gas card. However, if there's some kind of special circumstances, they do have the ability to give you a gas card if need be. Like, for example, if the gas pumps are down, which that happens sometimes, and if the timing just happens to not be good, like if it's right when people are trying to leave to start their route, or if it can't get fixed quick enough, which it usually does. I mean, they're on it immediately, but if there's a particular situation where you can't get gas there at the gas pumps and you need gas, or a whole bunch of people need gas, then they do have the capability of doing the gas cards, but because of how it's set up, that's just not what they usually do. So hopefully I answered that question pretty good. And also, the people that sent me messages about 3 days ago, whenever I get off work, either on my lunch break or when I get off work, I'll reply to your messages. So there's that. And of course, now it's not really raining all that much. I'm sure it's not done with though. But I was originally wanting to record a video to kind of bring you all along, in this rainy, thunderstormy, lightning weather. But I guess that storm has passed, and I think later on this evening there's supposed to be another storm. So I don't know if we're still going to get sporadic rain throughout the day. I'll be surprised if we don't get any more rain. So I expect it to at least be sprinkling off and on. So that's where I'm at on that. Also, what else was I going to say?
In a quarter mile,
oh yeah, I had my phone in my pocket.
Left onto South MacArthur Boulevard.
I had my phone in my pocket, and earlier, whenever I was unloading all the milk for that restaurant, and I guess the charging port got just wet enough.
At the light, use the left
got a case on my phone, but
Boulevard.
my case doesn't cover the actual port itself, and I figured my phone would be okay in my pocket, but I think I had it upside down, like where the bottom part of the phone was sticking upward, and I guess just enough water got in there. It didn't ruin my phone or anything, but just enough for the phone to detect it. So when I went to plug up my charger to my phone, my phone said unplug immediately because it's wet. So the charger looked like it got a couple of drops on it. So I dried that off the best that I could, because I don't have any napkins or anything. So I tried to dry that off the best that I could. Hopefully I didn't damage the charger. Luckily though, I got one of those like cup holder. I got a phone holder that goes in a cup holder, and it spreads out inside the cup holder to hold it in there tight. And I got an air vent directly next to it, so I got the heat on to try to dry that out, and also to try to dry myself out. Because when I tell you it was a torrential downpour, that's exactly what it was. And
at the light, turn left onto Cowboys Parkway.
So, yeah, as I'm driving along here, I'm just trying to get myself to dry out
In a quarter
some.
mile, turn left onto Harris Court.
And I don't know if you can hear it, but we got some more rain coming again. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be raining off and on. Now, what I'm pretty sure about is I don't think it's going to be as heavy as it was earlier, because that was an entire thunderstorm. There was lightning and thunder and everything. This is just rain only. Now, as I'm going along here, it is coming down a little heavier, but yeah.
Take the next left onto Harris Court, then your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
$10,409. It's confusing. Trying to get as close to this curb as I can. Okay. And it should do it right about there. Perfect. Whew. Got some trail mix. Be right back.
south on Harris Court toward Champion Park Trail, then turn right onto Cowboys Parkway.
Let's see, it's 8:47. And I just got done with my 9 o'clocks. I got 1, 2, 3, I got 3 10 o'clocks. I'm scheduled to take my break right now, but I'm trying to decide if I want to or not right now.
Head south on Harris Court toward Champion Park Trail, then turn right onto Cowboys Parkway. Head south on Harris Court toward Champion Park Trail.
Also, I got my phone up and down because of the little corner that it's in. I might be able to do it long ways, but I don't know. I think I might have part of the dash in the way. But
turn right onto Cowboys Parkway.
I'm hoping when I load the video, it doesn't show up like real small. Since I don't have it long ways, I have it up and down. But if it does, though, you know, it is what it is. It's one of those kind of days.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto North MacArthur Boulevard.
So I don't think I'm going to take a full 30-minute break right now. Yeah, I don't know. I think I will. I really didn't bring too much for my lunch today, so because honestly last night I just forgot, and this morning I didn't have time because I woke up a little bit late. So anyways, I don't want anything too heavy, because then, you know, I don't want to get sleepy and get slowed down and everything. And also, I'm trying to lose weight.
At the light, turn left onto North MacArthur Boulevard.
So if I can find a gas station close enough, I might get a couple of hot dogs. And also, as far as losing weight, that's also why I got this little Chex Mix thing here. This one is peanuts, cranberries, and almonds. Not bad, really. But when you didn't have breakfast, that and a Celsius energy drink and a bottle of water, that'll do the trick for a little while until it's break time. And I'm sad I forgot to make my lunch, man, because I just went to the grocery store, so I was gonna cut up some celery sticks. Let me see what this gas station is. Perfect. I was gonna cut up some celery
Turn right
sticks
toward North MacArthur Boulevard, then turn right.
and you know, put some peanut butter with it, and put a little bit of honey in the peanut butter. And then I was gonna bring, what else was I gonna bring? I was gonna bring a couple of bananas, and I was gonna bring a couple of, you know, those little bitty oranges. There's different name brands. There's like Halo, Cuties, another brand that I don't think that I've seen before. It's called Pills. I guess at Walmart they ended up going with that company instead of Halo because they don't have Halo now. They actually went from having Halo to the Cuties. Now it's I guess it's a company called Pills, like a banana peel but with the Z at the end. So I mean the Pills one, it's good too, but it was weird. They had some that got moldy on the outside. I've never seen any of those get moldy like that. I'm sure plenty of people have. I just haven't had that experience until the other day. I was like, that's random. But and it wasn't leaking or anything. It was just on the outside of the orange peel. That's just what it was. Sorry, my ear's itchy. So, I guess now that I'm parked at this gas station, hang on, let me hit this release button. For anybody wondering, first off, that's what that looks like. And you got the little knobby thing, and you twist it, and I don't know if you can see the gaps, but there's a gap right there, so you twist that and it fits into the cup holder, you know, so it didn't come out. I gotta get a new lanyard because my badge keeps falling off, and while I'm at it I need to get a new badge holder because this one's getting rough. So, for anybody wondering, I'm probably not gonna make the video too much longer. The rain just now stopped. Well, no, it didn't stop. Got a little bit of lightning over there. Yep, there it goes. And for anybody that doesn't know, the thunder comes from the lightning. To be honest, I haven't really researched it, but I just never. It's not that I thought the thunder came from, you know, it by itself, but I just never thought about it. I guess I never had a thought process about where does thunder come from. But yep, for anybody that just randomly happens to be curious. The thunder comes from the lightning, which is why most of the time you see the lightning and then you hear the thunder, I guess. I think that's all I got for right now. I can't think of anything that I want to, you know, I don't have any like new information about anything. I'm gonna go ahead and get me something to eat. I'll get back with you in a few minutes.